I'm Becky and this is my model Rachel.
Hi.
And today we're going to show you how you can create at home a metallic mermaid hair look perfect for the festival season. So to start this look, we've just dampened down Rachel's hair slightly, just so it's a little bit wet but not soaking, and we're going to section it off into 4 sections. Firstly being the front sides. Your sections don't need to be perfect here, it's just going to make your life a lot easier. So once we have our 4 sections, we're then going to go straight in with a hair dye. To take your darkest colour, we're using Truly Blue here, so I'm going to apply this all over the roots of the head. So taking a generous amount on your brush and painting it directly on the roots of the hair. You want to be careful around the hairline that you don't make too much of a mess. So if you don't have a brush for this step, you can just use your hands, making sure you're taking quite equal sections as well, because you don't want to miss any patches in between. So we're now just going to blend this whole section of hair down to just the top of the ear. So the same again with this section, we're just going to blend it further down the hair. So we're massaging this into the hair and blending it down just to the top of the ear. So for the back of the hair, we are taking the colour a little bit further down, just because the hair's a lot longer here, we're going to take it to the nape of the neck. Now we're going in with our second colour, which is slightly lighter. This is Tropical Aqua. So the panel that we're going to leave is about 2 inches wide, just in the centre of the hair, and we're going to paint the colour directly onto the ends. You can do this part with your hands too, or a brush, whichever you find easiest. So for the back, we're doing the exact same thing, painting the colour directly onto the ends and leaving the 2-inch gap. Once your roots and ends are painted, we're now going to comb the top colour into the bottom and blend them together. This will give you that gorgeous ombre effect. So using any wide tooth comb, just brushing down the colour really lightly, and then using your hands just to massage this all together. You can add a little bit more colour here wherever you need it. So we're just twisting each section back and placing them around the back of the head just to keep any mess at a minimum. Right, so that's all of our colour applied. For a really bold look, you want to leave this on for about 30 minutes to develop and then wash it off. So we waited the 30 minutes and washed Rachel's colour out, so now we're going to blow dry it. Okay, so now the hair is completely rough dried, we're going to go on to styling and add some loose curls. So for this, I'm just taking completely random sections, all at different sizes. I'm going to wrap them around the hair, but not all the way to the ends. We want to leave a little straight edge at the end so it doesn't go too ringlety. And then as you pull it out, just pull it down. Right, so there we go, we've done some gorgeous beachy waves in Rachel's hair here, really Coachella style. So if you want to go that extra step further, you can add glitter. So here we have it, our metallic mermaid look is complete. This is super easy for you guys to do at home. I hope you all give it a try. For any more festival inspiration, check out our other videos and subscribe below.